little my thoughts on this topic. I think it's a very crucial topic to discuss in this day and age. It's about bullying, either traditional bullying, or conventional bullying, or cyberbullying. Nowadays, cyberbullying is much worse than conventional bullying, which occurs in daily life, usually at schools. You can see in Indonesia, bullying happens in big cities usually. Big cities, Jakarta, also Medan, so it's very common in Banda Aceh, but it's quite rare in village, in rural areas, but it's more common in urban areas. But in the US, I think you have talked about Indonesia a lot. I think I agree about that. In Western countries, in the US or Europe, particularly in the US, bullying happens also in big cities, and also at the university level, college level, as you can see in movies, right? Some kids that are mentally retarded or disabled or handicapped kids often get bullied due to their disabilities. Also, we often see that kids who are like bookworm or book lovers, nerd kids sometimes get bullied at college because they tend to keep to themselves, and they kind of dislike participating with other college students. They kind of like doing their own business, just learning, just go to the library. They don't want to hang out in the canteen or going out to the beach. And sometimes when the nerdy students come to canteen, they often get bullied by maybe senior students or his or her senior at college. Like to bully them to show that they are superior. They want to show that they are superior to these junior students or freshmen or sophomore students. So in this day and age, cyberbullying is very common, as around 70%, maybe 70% of the world population has been connected to the internet. I think in Indonesia, around 150 million of Indonesian people are connected to the internet. So as the internet grows, we will see more cyberbullying happen, usually among school children, junior high school, elementary school, junior high school, junior and senior high school. Maybe into college, if they don't get enough education from the school, from the teacher, they don't learn about moral values in life, they will usually get involved into bullying or cyberbullying. Sometimes in a group, it is impolite to bully other members of the group. But sometimes we got members of the group who are unaware of these rules of respecting other people, right? Respecting other people is very important in our life. If you want to be treated well, you have to treat somebody else well. So the rule is simple, right? The rule is simple. If you want to be respected, the way you want to be respected, just respect other people. Show your respect to other people, your elders. Show your compassion to the young, and respect to the elders. So, in conclusion or in summary, we need to keep tabs on whatever bullying happen in our society, in our environment. We have to advise, suggest, advise, and recommend other people that bullying is a bad idea to do, bad thing to do. Whenever we see that, we have to give advice, or if we cannot give advice to them because of their status, maybe we just keep silent or get out of the group or get out of the forum. I think that's all for me. Thank you very much.
Right, any question?
I have.
Yeah. You first. Ask him.
I have questions about me, and it is also a big issue nowadays because not only students will do bullying, but also teachers do bullying. What is your opinion about the teacher who do bullying to the student? Should the teacher get fired, or maybe the teacher get the re-education to
The teacher doesn't have attitude, right?
don't have attitude, because teacher nowadays looks like they have a high education but little moral. Not all teachers, but some teachers.
I think for teachers, like you said, I think we just answer the question. This kind of teachers needs to learn more, needs to be educated because they don't have attitude and have manners. Manners is important in their life. This kind of teachers should get fired, of course, if government are brave or firm, must be firm on taking action. Or maybe give punishment to teacher, not maybe first level warning punishment, so that teacher will learn something and not repeat the same mistake, do the same mistake, or the teacher can repent. And experience is the best teacher, right? If the teacher repeat the same mistake again, teacher must be fired based on the regulation of the school or the university. That's all.
As we know that in Medan right now, do you know that the video talk about the teacher who punished the student using the pants or slapping on the face, something like that. That is really good idea.
Yeah. I agree. This kind of education is like our parents education in the past, so that kids in the past are well-mannered, much more well-mannered than today's kids, because teachers are afraid of students. Students are impolite nowadays because afraid of the laws from police. Parents will make a claim or file a suit to go to the court for the teacher to file a suit in the court. The teacher has punished my kid. I never punished my kid at home, so why did you punish my kid? Why did you slap my kid? So the government regulation is notice is going downhill. It's really bad.
Not fair anymore.
Not fair.
Just fair for the people who have money.
Yeah, I agree. That's all.
Alright, any question? Alright, Mr. Faham and Ifa, I got a question for you. With the truly from your heart, how many single time I had to bullying you? Please come back. I'm sorry about that. Don't be offended, you know what? I say like that This is deserved for you because I love you so much. You know that just because you look thinner than before. So can you count that how many single time I believe in you? I'm not believing you, Paul. You know that because you are the best teacher worldwide nowadays. Teaching me about English, teaching me about accent, teaching me about state in United States, teaching me about any single type of phrase, then you know what, idioms, right? Answer my question.
I usually never take it personally. I never get offended by
Yeah, inshallah.
bullying. Most bullying, I never take care of them. I never give a care. Never give a wait about it. Just leave it be and forgive and forget. Very catchy. Just make peace. Make peace.
Yeah, we really sorry. We are.
Truly, you got very down to earth, right? Down to earth, doesn't care like what the people say about you, but you know than before. No, but you're clever than before, right? Alright, thank you, Mr. Pham and Neva. I'm the glad now when you guys visiting here. You know what? I'm very happy when you got here, even though I have to learn any accent, any about the vocabulary about English. Thank you so much, Mr. Pham and Neva. Alright, any question? Alright, no more question, right?